If your 2015 GMC Sierra is blowing warm air, you likely have a refrigerant leak that is common for this generation. Statistically, the vast majority of AC failures in these trucks stem from a specific structural defect in the condenser. Before you start buying parts, let's walk through the diagnostic process to confirm where the gas is escaping. Start with a visual inspection of the condenser corners, as that is where the welds typically crack and leak oil. The factory condenser brackets are prone to cracking, which is why GMC eventually released an updated part design. If the condenser looks clean, check your service port valves or the compressor seal for signs of green dye. Replacing a condenser is a straightforward DIY job, while an evaporator leak usually requires professional help. You can save hundreds of dollars by swapping the condenser yourself before taking it to a shop for a recharge. To replace it, you'll need the system evacuated first, then remove the grill to access the mounting bolts. Make sure you have a set of basic metric sockets and some PAG 46 oil for the new seals. Never reuse old O-rings. Spending $5 on a new seal kit prevents you from doing this job twice. Fixing your Sierra's AC is a manageable weekend project. Check the description for part links and subscribe for more.